Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And I hope that you guys are doing absolutely great. Wait, I am not visible in the camera? What? What is happening? Press on that like button in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I am here. Okay, thank you for pressing that like button. In today's video, as you have seen the thumbnail and the title, we are playing Dude Theft Wars. Basically, I wanted to play this game from a long time. I downloaded this game. I can tell you around when this year started, and I really wanted to make a video on this game, but you guys keep hitting that like button and complete my like goals. I know the like goals are 5, but they are good because you keep pressing it, and I was uploading Minecraft and I was looking for more things in it. Today finally we are playing Dude Theft War. I have heard and seen on the Play Store that this game is actually imitating GTA. As you can see comments right over here, these two random comments were saying about GTA. I'm not going to read whole comment, just giving you can just pause and you can read. And in Play Store, one thing that I found thing that was interesting was this Lamborghini Aventador. Not this one. We have to go according to the standard of the game, like this. Yes, this looks what? It looks good. Come on, this is not a HD game that you are going to see a real life Lamborghini rolling in. It's a blocky game. Let's not wait any further and let's start this video and let's see how this game is. Does this game imitate GTA? And we are going to do some crazy stuff. Let's start this video. Let's see what do we got here. Scroll down. Okay, so okay, wait, oh sorry, I didn't expect this. Let's do a single player. Wait for a moment. Before this video goes any further, I actually want to ask some questions from you. Do you enjoy my video? If yes, are you subscribed to the channel? If you are not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. Press the like or the dislike button. Leave a comment about my video or anything that you liked or disliked in it. Like this one. Miss Economist commented, I'm seeing Minecraft for the first time and I enjoyed it. And many more, as you can see. By the way, my sister commented this. Well, I didn't say her to comment, but it was her opinion. She commented it. This is not scripted, okay? So you can see, this was a small comment, but it gave me motivation to make another video. And I appreciate all of your comments as it keeps me motivated to actually upload more and improve my content day by day. Let's continue with the video. Okay. Tapped to sleep. I have $100. I have a bat, baseball bat, a grenade, a colorful grenade, and you can go here, and I can give money or I can take it. No, what? Let's stop it. Let's go. So basically why I downloaded game. This game is, you can see right here, this is the car that I wanted to drive. And is the car moving forward or hello? Okay, the car is actually, there is a chopper going on. Can I shoot it? No, Are you kidding me? Okay, I don't have a gun. Let's get in and let's drive. Okay. Can we run over people? In game. Okay. Huh. Oh, that was nice. Oh, sorry. Just get out of the car. I don't want to call the owner. Let's quickly. Oh, am I getting shot at? Oh, we have a person here. Let's see how can we slap.
God damn it! Hey! God damn it! Hey! Wait a minute! Hey! Hey! God damn it! Wait a minute!
Yes! Come on!
God damn it!
Noob. Oh, I have a 1-star wanted level. No. Sorry. Let's run. Okay, they're shooting at me right now.
I just killed someone.
Wait, that's a crime, so I should be arrested.
And I'm running from the police. Let's get. Oh, we found a Murcielago. Let's get into this car and let's drive. Sorry for. Oh, how to reverse? No. Yes. Woo. I am good at this. Yeah. Did I lose them? No, I didn't. I still have 1-star wanted level. And yes. I need to run. At the end of the day, our good old trusty car came in our way. Okay. Oh. Right into the wall. We are escaping, as you can see on top. And slowly and steadily we are escaping. And we escaped the police. Oh, sorry. And did I just kill someone again? I again have a wanted level. And that guy is still flying. Okay, I need to like hide somewhere if I can. Yes. And I escaped again. Let's quickly check out our neighborhood. We have couple of houses here. And I still have $100. I killed people. Can we ride that cycle? Woo! Oh my. That's cool. That's definitely cool. Woo! That's how we show up. Yes. That's how we show up into a showroom without a baseball bat. Oh, we can sell here. And What just happened? Can I get into this car? I can, and I can actually drive it off. Bye bye. See you again for a new car, because this car won't survive long with me. One more wanted level. That's how we roll. Oh, oh. Yes. Oh. And we survived again. What is this building? There is actually a lot to explore in this map. We'll do it slowly and steadily. Let's get out. Anyways, we have a box studio, and this is a studio where I record my videos oftenly. I just started playing this game. Let's try not to kill anyone with this thing. There is a bus. Right into the bus. No passengers. Nobody got hurt. We didn't break any law. We are doing great. Into the forest. Into a fence. The monster truck is not able to... Oh. Oh. Didn't work. Yes. Woo. Okay. So whenever we actually jump like this, I guess we get money. I am again getting shot. I have to run somehow. As soon as... No. There is literally a lot of police following me right now. Is this a policeman? Okay, we need to run as fast as we can. Let's get a farm truck. Let's get it. Let's get it. And let's run away. Okay, what all we can do now? We escaped the police. Now let's get out and let's see what all we can do. We have a mobile phone in this game. This is actually one thing that I can say is actually like GTA 5. Otherwise everything is like normal GTA. Let's use this. We can, yes, we can actually buy a car from here. We don't have money, so we can't right now. Okay, soon we would have money to buy. We can purchase wait a second. We are literally in a forest. Let's quickly get into the car, because in GTA 5 tigers actually kill you when you are in a jungle, and I really don't know if that is a feature in this game. Maybe it could be, and that would not be good for me. I really don't want to die right now and lose $9 that I earned from, I don't know how, but I earned it. Yes. Hello guys. Can I join? No, I would. He's literally dancing in the fire. Guys, can we break this? Can we see the map? Yes, we can. And I really now... oh, there is a police station straight from where I'm pointing right now. What? Again a car is going from here? Something is wrong. Police department. Hey. I really want to hit him. And is this another policeman? Okay. There are two now. This is the police station. I don't think we can enter this place right now. It's night. Let's try if we can puncture our car with this or not. I'm not able to reverse this. Yes. I'm really a good driver. This game is, I would say, it is annoying sometimes, or most of the time. My car is stuck for no reason with my game frozen. Oh, it's actually running again. Where is the police station? It's in this direction. Okay. Can we hit this guy? Okay, he was not a police officer. That's good for us. Okay. So now let's quickly go back to our house in a Lamborghini. Now I am going to get nightmares in real life because of a game. That's so cool. I think I really don't know how am I gonna get a driving license now, because this is how I drive. Where is my house? Where is my house? Can I find my house? Where is it? The map ends here. It goes around this. It's in a round place. Oh, this is this my house or no? I can't find my house. I'm lost in the first episode of this game. That's so sad. Okay, so there is a arrow on top that is showing me the mark place where I have marked it. It's straight from here. We no care now about trees. We just go straight. And I again have a... How can... Busted. And I'm dead. Hopefully I am at my house. That would be amazing if I just... I'm at the police department again. And he's taking money from me. He just took $2 and I can literally see this amount of dollars, and it was only $2. Are you kidding me? Do you think I am dumb? Yeah, I am dumb in some things, but I'm not that dumb. Now, you know what? For $2, we can hit him. Come on! He has a gun and he's running away. Oh!
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Let's get our bat out. Let me just show you. He's dodging me. He's dodging me. That's cheating. Oh, I got cash. Thank you. I don't even have any star. Can we throw this? Okay, we can. What if we throw it under a car? What? Run! Run! No, I really don't want to get arrested. The car is actually on fire and I don't think it would run. Okay, we can run on our legs. Nothing happened. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Can we run? Can we run? He's literally following me. This is so great. I love this game.
No.
Oh, this is definitely faster than when I was running. Let's lose the cops. Oh. Sorry for the farmers. I'm really sorry. Dude, something. It still says lose the cops, and I can't drive this thing straight because it just jumps on every single pavement. Not in the pool again. Kill me! Kill me! Run, 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 run. Oh, run, 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 run. Can we lose the cops? Can we? Oh, did we lose them? Yes, yes. And we lost the cops again. And now this proves that I am a pro in this game. That was it for this video, and I would like to end this video now. Okay, so as you saw, we played Dude Theft War. I know I didn't do a lot of thing in this video because I want you guys to hit that like button. At 7 likes, I would upload the second episode. In that episode, I swear I'm not going to kill anyone. Well, I would try, but let's see. And we are going to explore the map. We are going to find all the things that we can do in this game, because I have really not played this game. I downloaded it once, but I didn't play it in detail and I uninstalled it. And that was it for this video. Thank you for tuning in till end of this video, and hope you guys have a nice day. And if you are watching this on Wednesday, thank you for your support. If you are watching on the same day when this video comes out, thank you guys for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye, have a nice day, and peace.